Welcome to the story guide. The Pokémon Trading Card Game (TCG) is a collectible card game based on the popular Pokémon franchise. It was first released in Japan in 1996 and later in North America in 1999. The game has since become a global phenomenon, captivating players of all ages with its strategic gameplay, exciting card collecting, and nostalgic connection to the beloved Pokémon universe. Gameplay. The core objective of the Pokémon TCG is to defeat your opponent by knocking out all of their Pokémon. Players build decks of 60 cards, which typically include Pokémon cards. These represent the creatures you'll use to battle. They have various types: fire, water, grass, etc., and attacks, and they can evolve into stronger forms. Energy cards. These cards provide the energy needed to power up your Pokémon's attacks. Trainer cards. These cards offer a variety of effects to help you during the game, such as drawing cards, healing Pokémon, or disrupting your opponent's strategy. The game is played in turns, with each player taking turns drawing cards, playing Pokémon and trainer cards, and attacking their opponent's Pokémon. Players must carefully manage their resources and make strategic decisions to outplay their opponents. Card collecting and trading. A significant part of the Pokémon TCG's appeal lies in the thrill of collecting and trading cards. Each set of cards introduces new Pokémon, abilities, and artwork, making it exciting for collectors to expand their collections. Trading cards with friends and fellow players is a common and enjoyable social aspect of the game. Competitive play. The Pokémon TCG has a thriving competitive scene, with players competing in tournaments at local, regional, and national levels. The game's strategic depth and skill ceiling make it a challenging and rewarding experience for competitive players. The impact of the Pokémon TCG. The Pokémon TCG has had a profound impact on the gaming industry and popular culture. It has introduced millions of people to the world of collectible card games and has fostered a passionate community of players. The game's enduring popularity is a testament to its engaging gameplay, collectible nature, and connection to the beloved Pokémon franchise. Additional notes. The Pokémon TCG is constantly evolving, with new sets and mechanics being introduced regularly. The game has a strong online presence, with online trading card games and digital card simulators allowing players to compete and trade cards virtually. The Pokémon TCG has inspired numerous other collectible card games, demonstrating its influence on the gaming industry. The Pokémon TCG continues to be a beloved pastime for fans of all ages, offering a blend of strategy, collection, and community that has captivated players for decades.